What's up, everyone? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another vlog, another day in the life. Y'all, today is the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm going to be cooking, girl. We are getting ready to start throwing down in the kitchen. I'm going to start, preparing the meal so I don't have too much to do tomorrow. I think tomorrow all I want to do is like really fry chicken, and everything else should be ready to go. A lot of you guys was asking me about this water bottle in the previous vlog. I got it from Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. And I do have some new clothes I'm gonna be showing you guys from Shein, so y'all gotta stay tuned for that. I got some real cute clothes. Skylar's right here playing with her Play-Doh. You know what to say? Yeah, here's the clothes right here. I just took them out just to look at them last night, and everything just looks so good. Here's Summer Girl. Summer Girl just walking. You just walking, right? Come on. Uh-oh. What's up, everyone? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Y'all, it's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm in the kitchen. I'm starting to cook. Y'all, it really doesn't feel like Thanksgiving is tomorrow. I'm trying to get in the holiday spirit. I'm getting ready to get my music playing. Just get the vibe right in here. Your girl gonna be cooking. Let me just show y'all what happened. Summer Jade. That's why I don't ever give you a plate. Y'all don't buy these. I showed y'all these before. And they used to stick to the top right here of the hot chair. But now they don't stick, and she can pull them up and she just throw it on the floor. That's why I just set her food up here. Anyways, I gotta clean that mess up. But I hope everyone is doing good. I am just gonna keep it simple this year. Actually, I talked to my neighbor. Y'all know the man that I love that cooks, and I'm always getting some of his food, especially for the holidays. He's always cooking for the holidays. I talked to him this morning. I was like, are you cooking for Thanksgiving? Because he had the grill out this morning. I'm like, yes. He was like, come on over tomorrow. I was mainly asking because I wanted some of his collard greens. Like, that is, whew. I know he's going to have ribs and everything like that. And Sean doesn't eat food like that. So it's no use in me cooking. Well, I could cook for myself, but I'm the only one that's going to be eating the ribs and stuff. So I know he's going to have all of that tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. I'm just doing sweet potatoes, corn, green beans, macaroni and cheese, stuffing and gravy, fried chicken. I think that's about it. I'll probably do some cornbread. What y'all cooking for that? Well, what did you cook for Thanksgiving? And if you did cook, let me know. I don't know what we're gonna have for dessert. I'm actually eating some macaroni and cheese right now from Chick-fil-A. Sean had got it for Skylar. Skylar don't want to eat it, so hey, we ain't gonna let it go to waste. It's so good.
Happy holidays.
So Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Can you tell me one thing that you're thankful for? What are you thankful for?
I thankful for summer.
Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, she said she's thankful for summer. That is so sweet. You love your sister? I am thankful for family. I'm thankful for daddy. I am thankful for you and your sister. I'm thankful for your grandma. I'm thankful for everyone. I'm thankful that everyone is alive, well, good health and strength. Yes. I'm thankful for my mommy. Oh, a lot of you guys was asking me about this water bottle in the previous vlog. I'll try to link it down below, but I got it from Amazon. Girl, say hey, dirty face. We gotta get you washed up. Say hi.
Guys, what you doing? You're cooking some food. You always need cook food so you can't be hungry.
I'm getting ready to put this macaroni on. I already have my water boiling right there. I have my chicken because I like to put chicken in my stuffing. I'm just getting ready to pop these elbow noodles, and also I need to go ahead and make a grocery list. Skylar, where's my phone? I need to make a grocery list because Sean is getting ready to go grocery shopping. He just got off work.
I'll go put the tomatoes in.
These are not tomatoes. What are these? Sweet potatoes.
I'll put sweet potatoes in the pot.
Yes. You're gonna help me rinse them off. Okay, so what did mommy tell you earlier? You can't come in the kitchen unless I tell you can, okay? Because I'm cooking and it's a lot of stuff over here at the stove, and I do not want you to bump into the stove and get hurt and get burnt, okay? So can you go back in the living room for me? Thank you. She's on the move. I was excited about her walking, but now I'm like, girl, Just go back to crawling. Y'all, she's been messing with my Christmas tree, knocking my Christmas ornaments off. I've tried to take all the balls from like the bottom right here and try to put them up so she can't reach them. What are you getting ready to do? Don't touch my tree. Don't touch my tree. Summer. No, no. Thank you. No, no. Thank you. Oh. No, no.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze.
Skylar is helping me out right now. She is rinsing the sweet potatoes off. Good job.
This is a giant one, guys. It's a giant.
It's so long, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so let's get into the clothes that I told you guys about that I got from Shein. So thank you to Shein for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. And I will have everything linked down below in the description box. And guys, like usual, let me know which outfit or which piece of clothing you like the best. This first outfit right here, oh my gosh. Like, this is so cute to me. So cute. And I want to wear this like in a little photo shoot. A little photo shoot for our photos for like my website and stuff. I think this would be super cute with some nice black sheer tights, maybe some thigh-high boots or some nice booty heels. The fit of it is nice. Everything that I have is in a size small. The buttons on it is really nice. It's like a pearl button with gold trimming around it. Alright, so here's the next outfit, and it's this nice little black leather skirt. Well, you know it's not leather, but it's leather material. I love the detail in the front, how it goes up on one side. It has like this little flap right here. I love this blouse, and I was thinking about, you know, you could like tie it in the front if you wanted to. That'd be cute. That'd be real cute. And have this tucked in, because this skirt is kind of like high-waisted a little bit. Or you can, you know, put it in on one side, have one side hanging. Or no, I would hang it on this side, since I already got design on this side. I think that'd be cute, but I really like the idea of like tying it up in the front. Alright, so I'm thinking in my head that this would look really cute with it, just because the different types of fabric. I would take this and I would tie this. Boom. Ooh, this is so cute to me. Oh yes, this is cute. You can even have this open right here and have like a little nice little bralette on, or you can button it up. So here's a close-up on these shoes. These are some nice booties. They are comfortable. I love the pointy toe in the front, and then I love the chunky heel. I got this nice sweater. They have this sweater in a lot of different colors. It's a very high neck turtleneck, and I like to fold mine down. I love the fit of this sweater. I don't know if it's supposed to go all the way down. Like, this is puzzling me right here. I don't know if it's quarter length. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with the sleeves, but I love the fit of it, like how it hugs on my body. I got this sweater to match with these boots, and I think this would be so cute together. I probably would wear it with maybe some jeans. You can see this shoe has like this dark brown in it, and it matches this sweater really nicely. So I really feel like this sweater would go good with these shoes, because it's gonna bring out that dark brown in it. And y'all know I'm always here for a nice cardigan, so I had to pick up this cardigan. And I actually like these two browns together, and this is something else that I would actually wear with the booties as well. I would wear me some nice jeans, nice fitted, maybe high-waisted jeans, and then have these two sweaters on and these booties. I think these different color browns, it just brings out the different color browns in the shoe. And this cardigan, it has a belt that goes with it, so if you want to, you know, tie it like a little wraparound, you could do that. It has some pockets. I always love a cardigan with some pockets. This is actually cute with this black skirt. Oh, this is cute together. I had to get me another cardigan because I can just wear this with a nice tank top, black tank top. You can wear it with a turtleneck, a cream turtleneck. I feel like this will be really cute with a cream turtleneck. It's very lightweight. As you can see, it has like little holes. It's like a knitted material. It does have pockets, which I absolutely love. Last but not least, when I saw this shirt, I was like, yes, I have to get this because it describes me in 3 words: wife, mom, and boss. Period. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Mommy, you're so pretty.
So what, boo boo?
You're so pretty.
I'm so pretty. Thank you.
And I'm gonna get you a flower.
Oh, you're gonna give me a flower?
I got buy it from the store.
Thank you. I love you. That is it for all the clothes from Shein. I will have everything linked down below. So thank you to Shein for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. Y'all know y'all gonna be seeing me in this sweater. Not this sweater, but this shirt a lot because I love shirts like this just to chill in. They do have a lot of deals going on. They have a Cyber Monday sale, so check them out.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Teeth are clean. You say goodnight?
Good night, guys.
So guys, it's 7:45 and the girls are getting ready to go to bed. It is 7:45. I took a break from cooking because y'all know I didn't have everything. So when Sean came home, I knew if he didn't go to the grocery store as soon as he got off work, he was gonna come home and go to sleep. So that's what he did. He's going to the grocery store now to get everything that I need. It's 8:35 and the girls are asleep. They've been asleep about 30 minutes. But yeah, let me get to it, guys. Put me some music on and get to cooking.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, nah, nah.
So y'all, I'm just slicing my chicken breast up now, and I'm going to put it in the oven just so it can bake in the oven. I like to put it in the oven instead of like boiling it or anything like that because I feel like it's juicier when it's in the oven. Just put it in the oven for a little bit, and then I like to just go in and break it up into smaller pieces, and then I put it into my stuffing. Oh my gosh, it never fails. This seasoning always makes me sneeze. Why is that? Let me know down below. I'm just so curious. This seasoning, anytime I use it, it always makes me sneeze. And if anybody else uses this seasoning, let me know if it do you the same way. Like every time, it never fails.
I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love. I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh.
So guys, it is 1:24 in the morning. Summer woke up around 12:30 and she ain't gonna go back to sleep. She don't ever wake up like that in the middle of the night, but I can see her in here making noise. She heard the pop again. So she woke up, didn't want to go back to sleep, so she's been chilling. But I must have got everything done. And yeah, so everybody's gonna be here to eat at 3. So I'm about to get up in the morning and I'm about to go ahead and get their clothes out that they're gonna wear tomorrow, and I'm gonna finish cooking in the morning. That is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like any of the clothes I showed you guys earlier from Shein, I have them linked down below. I'm so tired and sleepy. I have to package order. Hey. Uh-oh. Yeah, I have to package orders. I've been getting orders like crazy. If you don't know, I launched a new product. If you're not on the email list, you definitely should sign up because I've been sending out deals this week. Like the deal for today was buy one get one 50% off, and a lot of you guys jumped on it. You need to go back to bed. Why are you awake? Why are you awake? Why are you awake? It is almost 2 o'clock in the morning, girl. Where you going?